effortlessly post X, Twitter tweets in bulk using just a simple image description and upload. Not only can it automatically pull tweet content from the data table, but it can also schedule posts and boost social media reach and engagement with the help of OpenAI or DeepSeek. Open your browser, go to Bika.ai, log in, and navigate to the Template Center. Find the AI Create X Tweets Automatically template, click the Install button, and install the template into your workspace. Open the template. You'll see the template instructions. Read through them and click Next. You'll be guided to the Schedule Tweets Automation Task Editor. The automation is already set to generate tweets daily at 10 a.m. using the X Tweets content database's prompt words and images, automatically posting to X, Twitter, and updating the post link in the database. You only need to set up the following. First, open the OpenAI Generation Text Action Configuration, create a new integration, and enter your OpenAI API key. You can click the question mark here to get a free API key, then click Confirm. Then, select the newly created integration and click Save. Next, click on the X, Twitter, Upload Media, Action Configuration, and create a new integration. Then, copy the provided link to access the X Developer Portal and retrieve the necessary information. After registering, go to the default project page and open App Settings. In the User Authentication Settings section, click the Setup button. Change the app permissions to read and write and direct messages. Set the app type to Web App, Automated App, or Bot. Enter the callback URI, redirect URL, and website URL in the App Information section. Click Save. Now you'll have the configuration details you need, which can also be found on the Keys and Tokens page. Now go back to the configuration page and enter the API key secret, access token, and access token secret you just obtained. Then click Confirm. Next, select the integration you just created and click Save. After that, click on the X, Twitter, Create Tweet Action Configuration and create a new integration. This will open the X, Twitter, OAuth 2.0 configuration page. Enter the client ID and client secret you just obtained. Click Confirm. At this point, an authorization page will pop up. Click Authorize App. Once successful, you will be automatically redirected back to the Action Configuration page. Click to select the newly created integration and click Save. Then, click the Edit button for the Action Configuration. Then click Run Test to ensure that the subsequent configuration works properly. Finally, click the Update Record Action Configuration. Replace your NXR account name in the URL example with your own X, Twitter ID. Then click Settings, select Variable Component, click the URL field and choose X, Twitter, Create Tweet. Then select ID and click Save. Now your automation setup is complete. Now, let's test whether the automation works. Go to the X Tweets content database, click New Record, enter the image prompt in the content field, then upload an image, set the publish date to today, and change the status to Publish. Click Create, then return to the Scheduled Tweets automation page and click Run Now. After a short wait, go to the X Tweets content database, and you will see that the tweet has been published with the published URL entered in the URL field. Click to view the tweet that was just generated and published by AI. If you like this automation, find it in the video description below. If you've got any questions or want to dive deeper into Bika's automation features, drop a comment below. Let's chat.